You voted and I listened, and the dish turned out so good, especially served with vermicelli rice. And for all of you who love yogurt sauce, I'll be making another version soon. Slice 2 pounds of zucchini, 2 pounds of baby eggplants, simply season with salt, olive oil, arrange in a cast iron pan. Roast until charred nicely and almost cooked all the way through. Make a simple ground beef mixture. 3 onions, 1 pound of ground beef. Simply season with salt, allspice, cinnamon, black pepper. You can add toasted pine nuts towards the end. Add on top of the roasted eggplants, zucchini. Mix 6 ounces of tomato paste with 4 to 5 cups of boiling water. Put back in the oven or cook on top of the stove until sauce is reduced and zucchini eggplant is tender. Serve with some rice and vermicelli. Recipe in the caption and in the description box below the video.